Hello, how are you, YouTube friends? On this occasion, we are going to learn how to download TikTok videos without a watermark. We go to Google, type download TikTok videos. We click on the second option. We go to TikTok, search for the video of our preference. Look where the watermark is. We are going to click on this little arrow here. We are going to click on copy link. We go back to the page, paste it, and download. We click download without watermark. And the video is downloading. We wait for it to finish. The download is almost complete. We open the video and we see that the watermarks do not appear. That's all for today. Share the video, give it a like, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time.